Some viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my kitchen. Happy Friday. I hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. Guys, can you help me wish somebody very special? Her name is Kedisha Simpson. Can you help me wish her a happy birthday? Can you leave it in the comment section down below? And guys, I just want to introduce this place to you in Dewsbury. It's called the Healthy Butcher, and they do all kind of meat for every occasion, and the meat is very good quality meat at affordable price. So guys, please pop in and support them. They are very friendly. Tell them that it's Rose's Kitchen who sent you to come and support them. So thank you very much, guys. And guys, today I just want to share a quick menu with you guys. Somebody asked me to cook this menu for them, and what I'll be doing, it's not a lot of people who like to eat meat, so this menu is gonna be salmons, and I'm gonna brown stew salmons with brown stew salmons with vegetables, mashed potato, and I'm also gonna throw in a bit of hot and spicy barbecue chicken wings. So guys, let's get started. My oven is already preheated, and over here is my vegetable what I'm steaming, and over here is my potato what I'm cooking. Guys, I've got two nice pieces of salmon right here, and I am going to season them. So I'm going to show you exactly how to season your salmon. And over here, I've got some chicken wings, some chunky ones and some flat ones. These are the flat ones. And these are the chunky ones. Guys, my chicken is already washed with lemon and vinegar. I've washed my chicken 3 times to make sure it's properly washed. I've drained my chicken and it's now ready for seasoning. I've washed my salmon 3 times in lemon juice also, and it's ready for seasoning. So let's get seasoning. My oven is already preheat for my wings. So right here for my chicken, I'm using my chicken wing. I'm using peri peri sauce, and I'm using just half a teaspoon because it contains salt. I'm using paprika. Half a teaspoon. I'm using turmeric. Basically, I'm using half a teaspoon of all my ingredients. Cajun seasoning. Seasoning. Everyday seasoning. I'm also using some horse black pepper. I'm also using mixed herbs. So guys, I'm just gonna give my hands another wash, and then I'm gonna get straight into it. I like to wash my hands often because when you're preparing meals, whether you're preparing it for yourself or you're preparing it for others, you need to make sure your hands are properly washed. So guys, I've finished washing my hands and I'm gonna get straight into it. So let's get started seasoning. Guys, when my chicken wings are finished baking in my oven, I'm gonna make some barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna pour it all over it to give it a finishing touch. My oven is already preheat. So once I finish seasoning my wings, I'm just going to put them straight on my baking tray and straight into my oven. And I'm going to bake them for about 30 minutes. So guys, my chicken wing is all seasoning. As you can see, it's properly seasoned. It's looking really good and it smells very, very good. So I'm now gonna put them straight on my baking tray. And this meal what I'm cooking, like I told you, someone requested me to do it for them. Sometimes when people ask me to do stuff, sometimes I don't do it straight away, but I always remember. I never ever forget, so I always remember to do it. So this person, I'll be putting a smile on her face. So guys, I'm gonna put this straight in my oven and leave it to bake for 30 minutes. And it's gonna be on gas mark 8. Guys, I'm now going to season my salmon. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I season my salmon. So got some fish seasoning here. And I'm just adding that amount. Garlic powder, onion granules. The more ingredients you add, guys, is the more outstanding flavor you get from your dish. I'm adding some turmeric. A little bit of turmeric. I'm adding some horse black pepper. I'm also adding some parsley. I'm also adding some mixed herbs. I'm also adding some everyday seasoning. And because this doesn't contain salt, we just have to add at least half a teaspoon. So that's all my seasoning what I've already added. So I'm gonna wash my hands again and then get straight into it. Guys, it's very important to keep washing your hands, especially when you're preparing a meal. And I like to make sure everywhere is clean. I take cleanliness very seriously and I hate seeing mess. I do not like to see mess, guys. Everywhere have to be clean for me. So my hands is clean, washed, they are looking clean. So I'm gonna season my salmon. Just keeps rubbing the season gently into my salmon. Guys, my salmon is all seasoned and it's ready for browning because I'll be cooking brown through salmons. So I'm going to pour some sunflower oil in my frying pan. And I don't want a lot of oil because I don't want it to be too greasy. You have to be careful when it comes to salt and it comes to oil. We have to be very careful. So I'm just going to turn my heat on. So my heat is on, so my oil is heating up. Once my oil is hot, then I'll start frying my salmons. And guys, let's have a look over here. So over here is my steamed vegetables. Vegetable is ready. And over here is my potato, what I am going to cream to go with my meals. So I'm just gonna test the oil to see if it's hot. I think it's need heating a little bit more. And then I'll put my salmons in. So I'm just testing my oil. So what I'm doing, guys, just testing my oil to make sure my oil is hot. Because I don't want my salmons just all smashed up. So you have to make sure the oil is hot. So now that I know that my oil is hot, I'm just gonna put my salmon in and then give it a quick brown. Look at that, guys. It's looking so good. Oh, so good. Yeah. That's how I do my browns too with salmons. Some people don't brown it, but I prefer to brown it. So you give it a quick brown, and once it's brown, then it's ready for cooking. And guys, all these ingredients what I've got here, that's my red pepper, red, green and yellow vegetable peppers. Right over here is a bit of carrot, a bit of spring onion and some fresh thymes. Right here is some onions, and right here is some tomato, crushed garlic and crushed ginger. This is what I'm going to use to put on my salmon. So guys, I'm going to turn over my salmon on the next side because that guy, that's looking really nice. Nice chunky piece of salmon. I haven't had this in ages, but like I said, someone requested it. So I am cooking it for her. So my salmon is brown on both sides, so I'm just going to take it out now. Yeah, it's ready for taking out. It's brown on both sides. Look at that, guys. Absolutely, wow, beautiful that. Beautiful, look at that, guys. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to reduce my heat. And then I'll be adding all my ingredients straight into my pan. Guys, please cook with me. The more ingredients you add is the more outstanding flavor you get. And guys, if you don't have all of what I'm using, don't worry about it. Just make do with what you have. And if there's anything what I'm using, what you don't like, you do not have to use it. You know. I'm cooking this meal for me and my family. And I'm just showing you exactly how to prepare it for yourself. So there might be things what I use what you might not like. So if you don't like it or you can't get hold of it for any reason, don't worry about it. Just make do with what you got. So now that I'm cooking down all my vegetables, I'm going to add some soy sauce to give it a bit of a color and also bring the flavor out. I'm going to add some sweet chili, just a little bit. We don't need a lot. Because we're talking about flavors. I'm also going to add a little bit of browning. Yeah, you can add browning when you're cooking down stuff, but I always advise people not to add browning while they're seasoning their meat because it can end up burn and it end up with a very, very unpleasant taste and look also not very good. We don't want that. We want everything to looking really, really good and tasting very, very delicious. That's what we aim for. So I'm just cooking this out for a little while, and then I'm going to add my salmon, then add a little bit of water, and then leave it to stew for at least about 10 minutes because salmon is very soft, it's, you know, so you don't need to have to cook it for long. Guys, look at that, my gravy is getting thick. So I'm just going to put my salmon in and leave it for at least 10 minutes to simmer. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. and then it's good to go. So that's my salmon right there, and my gravy. Have you seen how my gravy started going thick because of all the ingredients, like my carrot, my vegetable peppers, spring onions, everything what I've added. Once it cooked out, then the gravy go thick. So 10 minutes and then I'll be putting the heat out. Guy, I'm back and the 10 minutes is up, and look at it. The gravy is really not thick, not too thick, not too runny or anything. And look at my salmon. Wow, look at that. My salmons, wow, it's all ready. Smell really good, guy. Very good. Can't wait to get stuck in. Guys, I'm going to make some sauce now to pour over my chicken wings. So I'll be using spicy Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce. So I'm making my sauce in this bowl right here. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of chili sauce. Oh, I've got my barbecue sauce. Like you can see, guys, I've got my chili, sweet chili, and I've got my hot peri sauce. Just give it a shake. I'm just gonna add some to this to give it a kick and a little twist. So I'm mixing all my ingredients together, just combining them together in a little bit of boiling water, not much, just to make it a bit runny, not too runny. Mixing it all out. Just add a little bit more barbecue sauce. So I'm mixing it all out, guys. I'm just combining my ingredients together. Like you can see, guys, look at it now. It's all mixed out smooth. It's exactly the way how I want it to be. So I'm gonna take my chicken out of the oven because my chicken is now ready. And then I'm gonna pour all these sauce over my chicken. Look at that, guys. I just took my chicken out the oven and look at it. It's looking really good. My chicken wings, it's all looking really good. So guys, I'm gonna pour this sauce straight over it and I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for at least 10 minutes. This thing smells lovely. It smells absolutely lovely, guys. And it's looking really good. So this is barbecue hot and spicy oven bake chicken wings. My chicken wing is soft and tender, just the way how I like them. And I hope you like them too. So guys, I'm gonna pop it back in my oven now. 10 minutes. Just give it a little shake. Make sure they're not sticking together. Just shake it around, gentle shake it so it don't splash or anything. So it's all loose and everything. So look at that now, guys. So I'm popping it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Guys, my meal is ready and I'm about to eat. So I'm gonna get stuck straight into this delicious meal and tell you exactly what I think about this meal. So I'm gonna start it off with my salmon. My salmon is in a lot of gravy, so I'm gonna have a taste. Very delicious. You can taste all the flavors, everything combined together. Really nice. Very, very nice. And I'm gonna have a taste of my vegetables. Really nice. Very, very nice. I'm having a taste of my mashed cream potato. And I'm gonna dip it straight into my gravy. Yeah, guys, please eat with me. Wow, it just melted away in my mouth. All the flavors just melted in my mouth. So, and I'm gonna have a taste of my hot and spicy barbecue chicken wings. Guys, it's just falling off the bone. I'm making sure my 10 finger is still here. Trust me, guys, this is nice. Really, really delicious. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice. Guys, I've got some homemade, natural, healthy carrot juice. I'm gonna just have a sip to wash it all down. And I've got uploads. There's lots of video uploads on my YouTube channel with natural healthy juice. Please go check me out. Very nice. Very, very nice. So guys, if you like my meal, give it a couple thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you like this meal and I hope you enjoy it. And I shall see you soon in another video. There's a lot more tips and ideas coming out soon. Please stay tuned. Love you.